All right, today we got a Flagler 20 gauge high-speed button lock machine here for square ductwork. We're going to run and demo for you. It's a 10-station rollformer, 5 horsepower motor, forming speeds at 100 feet per minute. Only machine on the market to go from 20 gauge all the way down to 30 gauge for the female button lock, which is the adjustment here on this dial. So I just scroll through and turn the dial until I get to the right gauge of material. I'm running some 22 gauge material here through for you today, so we're set at 22 gauge. Female button lock down the one side, male button lock down the other. We'll run some ductwork here through. There's your female lock. We'll run the male down the other side. Lance knives for the buttons are removable, can be sharpened and replaced, so you're not having to replace the entire roll when they do wear out. In stock at Empire Machinery. For more information on this piece or any other great equipment we offer, visit our website, empire-machinery.com, or give us a call, 1-800-665-8089.